to become more.
Good morning, y'all. Today is Sunday, and we are getting out of the bed. Finally, we ate breakfast early this morning, but we didn't actually get out of the bed until just now. But I'm about to do a little bit of stuff around the house today. Chelsea's gonna help me, but I have to first I gotta get some light in here, because if it stay like this, your boy ain't gonna want to do nothing. But yeah, today I'm gonna change the brakes on my truck. I've been putting it off for a while now, so today is the day I definitely got to get that done. Once we get that done, do a little bit of cleaning, you know, the cleaning up stuff that we normally do, and then get Chelsea's fall stuff together, because if y'all don't know, Chelsea is a big, well, I shouldn't say big, but her favorite time of the year is fall. So we're gonna pull all of her fall stuff out. We got it all laid out, and she's gonna do a little video on like her little fall decorating video. So she's like super excited for that. So I don't know if we're gonna shoot the video today. If we don't, it'll probably get done this week, and then we'll put it out there. But yeah, she's super hyped for that. We went to Ross and some other places where she got some of the stuff from. She'll tell y'all in the video. But yeah, that's the plan for the day, so let's go ahead and execute it. I'll see y'all in a second.
Daddy, your Ninja Turtle's coming down. He looking down.
Wawa, is that you?
I'm the Ninja Turtle.
Rawr.
Yeah.
Rawr. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa.
He got on his Ninja Turtle.
I thought there was only 4 Ninja Turtles. What's your name?
Say Wyatt.
That's not one of the Ninja Turtles.
Yes, it is.
Where are you on that shirt? Huh?
I'm on the top of the shirt.
I see that little face right there, right there.
He trying to get to you.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that was almost a sneeze. Bless you, Wyatt. Bless you. Wyatt and I are outside. It's a nice breeze out here. And of course, we brought his little bouncer right here to the front door so he can bounce. Hey everybody, I got up. TJ finally got me out of bed so I can come and help him. He's gonna change his brakes. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how this works out today. He already got started. Let me show y'all. Are you gonna help Dad? Huh? You thinking about it? Move your arm to the front. Oh, you gonna help? Now he trying to reach for the camera. Somebody's excited. Look at who's awake from his nap. He woke up.
Hey, baby.
He woke up.
Hey, Ninja Turtle. Hey, Ninja Turtle.
He up now, y'all. You did the back tire? You did both back tires?
Yeah, I just had to do the first.
Okay. It's hot out here, y'all. Alright, so Wyatt and I are sitting on the porch, rocking. TJ is almost done. He's got to just do the last tire in the front. And this one just woke up from his nap. He's still out of it. You still tired, Wyatt? He thinking about it. It feels so good out here, y'all. The wind is blowing. Thought you was about to finish.
Yeah. Boom. Alright, y'all, so I didn't record earlier. I don't know if Chelsea did, but I made it back in the house. I finished with doing the stuff on the truck that I needed to do, and now we're back in. Chelsea went to her grandma's house to go drop off something, and me and Wyatt at home. I just finished feeding him, and now he's over here on his little bouncy thing. Yeah, I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you. Your name is Wyatt. I'm talking about you. But yeah, and Chelsea made me some food. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. I already started eating it, but it is Parmesan crusted tilapia, some brown rice, and broccoli. So yeah, just me and Wyatt, and I'm watching the football game. I missed a couple of them earlier, but I caught my team. Unfortunately, we lost, but I caught my team playing football. That's not funny. That's not funny. You're supposed to be on my side. That's not funny. But yeah, so this is actually like our first week watching football, because last week we couldn't watch it because of Hurricane Irma. So this week we actually get to have a football Sunday and Saturday. So yeah, I'm about to finish eating my food and finish watching the game. Alright, y'all, so I'm up. I just finished washing dishes and getting Wyatt stuff together. Now I'm about to give him a bath and wash a load of clothes before the end of the night, and finish watching these games. The last game just came on, so I'm gonna watch that as I'm giving him a bath and cleaning up and all that stuff. So I just wanted to check in and let y'all know what we were doing. This is what he's doing, sitting in his little bumbo. Wyatt, look, you busted. Yeah, he gnawed on those fingers, so I'm about to give him a bath and get him ready for bed, and then I'm gonna finish cleaning up.
Alright, y'all, so it's the end of the night. I just got back from my grandmother's house, and now we are relaxing. About to go jump in the shower. Wyatt's already asleep. It's my first day back to work tomorrow after what, a whole week?
After a whole week after a hurricane.
Yep, so
yeah,
I'm gonna go ahead and wind down so I can get myself ready for work tomorrow.
Me too.
So we're gonna end this vlog with our 3 words: peace, love, and positivity. Good night, y'all.
Good night. And for everybody who thanks to everybody. Thanks, I'm sleepy, but thank you for everybody who checked in on us during the hurricane.
We got a lot of messages and text messages.
We didn't put a video out, but we've been catching up on all that stuff. But everybody's fine. We're all okay. Our families are fine. But I just wanted to say thank you guys who reached out to us, and the vlogs will continue to come.
Good night.
Good night.